Right, let's move on to this story because the Gauteng Department of Health will today officially launch its mass vaccination campaign to protect children against measles and rubella. MEC Nomantu Nkomo-Ralehoko will roll out the campaign at Steve Biko Primary School in Orange Farm. Now, the drive comes as Gauteng grapples with a persistent measles outbreak that has affected all districts since 2022. Over 300 confirmed cases have been reported in the province since July. Zola, Sholwana is there for us and joins us live now. Perhaps can we talk about this rollout and how vast it possibly could be at this stage and what it is you're seeing, Zola? Good morning.
A very good morning to you too, Arabile. We are at Steve Biko Primary School in Orange Farm, and this is where the launch by the Department of Health, led by Gauteng Health MEC Nomantu Nkomo-Ralehoko, will be launching this. We do understand that there's going to be a number of stakeholders that will be part of this, and this is really to promote this campaign so that it spreads across the province, as we understand that many districts have been affected by measles since the year 2022. So we are expecting retired nurses, current nurses, and of course role players in the Department of Health to be part of this. We know that parents have received consent forms in various schools and preschools so that they sign them so that their children can be able to go through immunization, which is a very important thing, Arabile, when you think about it, because if measles is not treated, it can lead to severe complications such as pneumonia, just to mention a few at this particular moment. Now, this launch happens at a time where we understand that there are civil society organizations such as Much and Much that are preventing foreign nationals from receiving or having access to public healthcare facilities. We have seen them in some clinics here in Gauteng, Rosettenville, and South Hills Clinic, where they were checking people's documents. If you do not hold a South African ID, therefore you are not allowed to have access to public health facilities. And we know that that is a violation of the Constitution of South Africa, which states that everyone has the right to health care. It has nothing to do with any kind of document that you possess. As long as you are within the South African borders, then you should not be denied health care. We know that when we saw, marches that were preventing foreign nationals or immigrants from accessing health care, the Department of Health made a comment from that, essentially saying that what they are doing, their concerns are heard, but what they are doing is actually essentially violating the Constitution. So those are questions that we'll be asking the MEC today as to what's going to be happening to foreign nationals, particularly their children, when they have to receive immunization, as we understand that organizations are still fighting, essentially calling on government to deal with the issue of illegal immigrants. We know that they're not only focusing on the health sector, but different sectors, across the country, but mainly health, essentially saying that our public hospitals are overwhelmed by the number of, foreign nationals that are coming in and out. Those are obviously concerns that have been raised. So as soon as we start seeing movement, we will then update you, as we understand that this is an event that will take almost, the whole day. That the Gauteng province is targeting about 4 million children. So we will see how they plan to do that.